Today, we're going to dive into a topic that is absolutely foundational for project management, especially if you're preparing for your PMP certification, understanding the key differences between a project, an operation, a program, and a portfolio. These terms are the building blocks of real world project management practices. Throughout this session, I'll use simple language and relatable examples to make these concepts crystal clear. Let's begin our journey of understanding. Let's start with the two most fundamental terms, projects and operations. A project is a temporary undertaking with a definite start and a definite end. Its purpose is to create a unique product, service, or result. The key takeaway is that a project exists to bring about change. For instance, building a new hospital is a project because it has a clear beginning, a clear end, and the final result, the hospital, is unique. A project manager is responsible for delivering this unique result within specific constraints like scope, schedule, and budget. Now, let's look at operations. Unlike projects, operations are ongoing and repetitive activities. They have no defined start or end date and continue indefinitely to keep the business running. Operations are all about producing consistent outputs at scale. Think of something like the daily customer support services at a call center. It's a routine task, and it's essential for maintaining business stability. The operations manager focuses on efficiency and consistency, not on creating something new. To put it simply, think of a project as a journey to a new place. It's temporary and has a specific destination. On the other hand, operations are like your daily commute to work. It's predictable and necessary to keep things going. A project is about change, operations are about stability. Now let's step up to the next level, a program. A program is a group of related projects that are managed together in a coordinated way. The reason we group them is to achieve benefits that we couldn't get if we managed each project individually. Here's a great example. Imagine a telecommunications company launching a new 5G network. To make this happen, they might have several individual projects, one for upgrading all the cell towers, another for developing new 5G compatible devices, a project for training the staff on the new technology, and a separate marketing campaign project. Each of these is a project on its own, but they are all related and must be coordinated to successfully launch the 5G network. This collection of projects is managed as a program. The program manager focuses on coordinating these projects, managing shared risks, and ensuring that the combined benefits are achieved rather than getting caught up in the details of each individual project. Moving to the top level of the hierarchy, we have a portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of projects, programs, and even operations that are managed together to achieve the organization's strategic objectives. The key difference from a program is that the projects and programs within a portfolio may be completely unrelated to each other. The only thing they have in common is that they all align with the company's overall strategy. Think of a large company that has a strategic goal of being a leader in electric vehicles. Within this single portfolio, you might have a program for launching a new electric scooter, a separate project for opening a new steel manufacturing plant, and the ongoing operations of their traditional car business. All of these initiatives are part of the company's strategic investment and are evaluated based on their alignment with business goals, risk, and return on investment. The portfolio manager works with senior leadership to prioritize and allocate resources across all these different initiatives. The portfolio level is about doing the right work, while the project and program levels are about doing the work right. Let's bring all these concepts together with a real-world example. ABC Automobiles. Imagine the company's strategic goal is to become a leader in electric vehicles. This strategic goal is the company's portfolio. To achieve this, they decide to launch a new electric scooter. The electric scooter launch is a program which coordinates all the related efforts. This program includes several individual projects, such as a project to design the new battery, a project to set up the production facility, a project to develop the marketing campaign, and a project to train the service staff. Once the scooter is successfully launched, the day-to-day work of manufacturing the scooter and providing customer service becomes part of the regular operations. This example shows how the portfolio represents the big picture, the program groups related efforts, the projects focus on specific outcomes, and operations continue to support the business after the launch. As a project manager, it's crucial to understand how your project fits into this bigger picture and how it aligns with the organization's strategic goals. This understanding allows you to communicate effectively and ensure your work contributes to the overall success of the business.